Hey Jason, how you doing? It is Bree here. I wanted to go over your website here, talk about what I found, talk a little bit about what the competitors in the area are doing, and just some of the tips and tricks you can follow to help rank your site and Google Business Profile better. So, starting with your website, I was actually pretty impressed with your website. Overall, it has pretty good on-page SEO, but I will go through what I have found. Starting, I right here, the the header photo, the form is a little close to the menu here. I kind of don't like that. It makes me feel cramped, and I have a little bit of a hard time reading this text here. But I love that there's a call to action right away. I love that you have a services, service area, a gallery. This could probably be a little bit bigger, but so far this is pretty good. And you have a call to action right away, call to action here. Usually, I know that these are badges here. Usually I will say like trusted by or something just so someone knows why these badges are here. Okay, so window replacement in West Bend, Wisconsin. That looks like a keyword there. Window replacement in West Bend, Wisconsin. Okay, that looks like another keyword there. Call to action. A nice photo here. So it doesn't look like this photo is saved as a keyword. That's something important that you'll want to do is the photo should be saved as keywords. So for example, if window replacement Wisconsin is a keyword, then you would want to have the pictures saved as a keyword. You've got a decent amount of content. Okay. Yeah, we've definitely got a lot of content on here, so that's good. I'm not sure what these equal signs are. Overall, not a bad site. I think it could use a little bit more design work. There's a decent amount of text, which is good. That's really important. You want to have a lot of text on here, but I think it could be designed just a little bit better to help with the text so it didn't seem so wordy and help make it a little bit more modern. But overall, this is a great start. So it's really important to have text on your website, and this is for two reasons. Google has crawlers. The crawlers come through, they're reading the content, and they're trying to figure out what services you offer and what areas you serve. The more content you have on here, the more you're going to look like an expert in Google's eyes. In addition to that, you want to beat out the competitors' content. So if the competitors had like 1,000 words, then you would want to have 1,500, etc. Within that content, you want to have keywords, which it looks like there are some keywords in your content, so that's a great start. And keywords are things that people would be searching for. So it looks like there's some of those on here, but we could probably add a little bit more. Adding some more photos on here of completed, like this is a really nice photo, but the quality is a little low. So getting some more really nice photos on here can help tremendously as well. So overall, the site is doing pretty good. Let's take a look at, if we actually Googled window placement Wisconsin, and I'm just going with a generalized term to make this video a little bit easier to understand, we can see these guys are running Google ads here, window replacement by Anderson. All right, this is called the map pack. So the top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The way you get yourself into the top three is by one, having a profile. And I know that you have a profile because I was searching around your area and it actually looked like you were in second place. So great job on that. Two, filling out the profile as much as possible. Name, address, phone number, description, posting to it. And three, putting your information into as many directories as possible. Directories are things like Yelp or Yellow Pages, etc. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics. The same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally the top three. We have a bunch of random websites that I don't care about, but this is a local company, so let's take a look at their site. Okay, they've got a tint on their background, so it's much easier to read their text, which I like. Got some nice photos there. Looks like they've even got a showroom, which is nice. Here are some of their badges. I do like this, showing their services, financing, testimonials, why I choose them, where they serve, and their footer. Okay, it's all right site. Take a look at why they were ranking. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what you're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings, as these ratings are really important for where you fall within the Google search results. A UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google. A DR rating is essentially a power rating with Google. These ratings are really important because they help determine where you fall within the Google search results. One of the main ways to raise these numbers is through something called a backlink. Essentially, a backlink is just a shout out or an endorsement from another website. So if there's another website that's endorsing you guys and they have a clickable button back to your website, that's really all a backlink is. We can click on this number, see what backlinks they actually have, and get them for your website. If we take a look at the organic keywords, these are the keywords within the content that I was talking about before. For example, Windows, Wisconsin, there's approximately 100 people Googling this per month. Replacement Windows, Wisconsin, another 100 people a month approximately. Wisconsin window replacement, another 100 a month. Windows, Green Bay, 150. I can't remember if that, I think that's an area that I saw you served. Windows, Wisconsin, replacement Windows, Green Bay. So, looks like there's a lot of search volume for Green Bay here. That must be a bigger town. Best windows in Wisconsin. Windows company in Wisconsin. Cool. So lots of search volume, and I know that there was quite a few towns and areas that you guys served. So there's great opportunity here. It's really important to be found for these keywords. The more keywords that you get found for, the more people that will find you, and in turn, the more clients you're going to land. If we take a look at your website's ratings, here's where the downfall is. Your UR rating is non-existent and your DR rating is quite low. You want these numbers to be much higher and almost equal to one another. You do have some backlinks, and you actually have quite a few referring domains, which is the overall websites. But because your power is so low, I'm going to go ahead and say that these are a little bit spammy and might actually be hurting you. So you really want to you have a lot of content on your website and you have a lot of keywords in there. You're going to want to update those photos, and you're really going to want to get some more power to your website via high quality backlinks. If we look at your organic keywords, we can see that you are showing up for some good ones. Here we go, Vinyl, Windows, Bend, Oregon. Maybe that's close to you. I don't remember if I saw any Oregon there. You're in roughly 19th place. Bend, Oregon, 25th place. Bend, Oregon again. Bend, Oregon. Actually, do you serve Oregon? Off the cusp here, I don't see any words for Wisconsin. So there are some other things you guys can do, like saving those pictures and getting some power to those keywords that will really help to rank your website. So I hope that this was helpful, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great night.